Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and have taken care of yourselves in your summer vacations. As your summer vacations are over now and your online classes have resumed, I am Kanika Tandon and I am here with my video of maths for class 4th.
According to the videos that were uploaded before the summer vacations, we have completed the explanation part of chapter number 3 and also the exercise third A. So in today's video, we'll start with our exercise 3B. And after completing the exercise, this chapter will be over. I hope that all of you have done your holiday homework and also the exercises I told you to do in the notebooks. And if you have not done it yet, kindly do it in your copy and also complete the exercise in the books. Let's start with exercise 3B. So starting with our exercise 3B, first one is the place value. I've already explained you the place value in my last video, but I'm going to explain it, take a quick review again. So if place values is actually in a number, in a whole number, if we want to know the place value of a particular digit, at what place it is placed, that will be the place value. For let me take one example. If I take one number which is 2,46,891, and now I ask you what is the place value of 2. That means at what place 2 is placed. So how are we going to do this? This will be ones, this will be tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So what is the place value of 2 here? Lakh, because it is placed at the place of lakh. And what is the place value of 4? It will be 10,000, 6,000, 800 and 9 tens and 1 ones. Coming to the next is comparing and arranging. Comparing and arranging basically means that ascending and descending order. Ascending order is what? When we start writing a number from the lower number one first and taking it to the highest number, and in descending order we write the highest number first and then at the top we'll write the lower number. In this also you have to arrange the number according to its value. Next is making the smallest and the greatest number with given digits. This is the easiest question here. What you have to do, for example, you will be given some digits like 2, 6, 1, 0, 9, 8, and now you have to make a smallest number that will be made by these digits and one greater number. One thing you have to keep in mind is whenever we are making the greatest number, we'll start writing the numbers in descending order. For example, what is the highest number here? 9. So we'll write 9 first. What is the next lower number than 9? 8. Then 6. Then 2, 1 and 0. With this it becomes the highest number. And while we are writing lowest number, we'll write in an ascending order. But there is one thing that we have to keep in mind, that no number will start with 0. So what are we going to do? Whenever we have 0 in the digits, the best thing to do is to keep that 0 on second place and write the lowest number here. So 1, 0, 2, 6, 8 and 9. With this it becomes the greatest and this one becomes the smallest. When we'll come to the exercise, you'll understand it better. Now let's start with the exercise part. Starting with the exercise, question number 1 is write the place value of the digits. So they have given us a number and they have asked the place value of that number. So how are we going to do? 27,835. What is the place value of 5 here? it is on ones place, so we'll write 5 only, because whenever a number is placed at ones place, it does not have any 0 to put. Next is 3, so 3 is placed at hundreds number, so we'll write here 30. 3 is placed at tens number, so we'll write 30. 8 is placed at hundredth place, so we'll write 800. 7 is placed at thousands place, so we'll write 7000. And 2 is at 10,000th place, so we'll write 20,000. Similarly, you have to do B, C, D, E. All the questions will be done in the same way, but let us do last two questions, that is G and H. 21,35,608. Now we have to write the place value of 2, so we'll count here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 2 is at 10 lakhs place, so we'll write 20 lakh. 1 is at lakhs place, so we'll write 1 lakh. 3 is at 10,000th place, so we'll write 30,000. 5 is at 1000th place, so we'll write 5,000. 6 is at 600th place, so we'll write 600. I hope it is clear to you all. Let's come to the next exercise. Coming to the next page, and question number 2, we have to fill in the blanks. In this, they are asking the place and the place value of the following numbers. So the difference between place and place value is, for example, if I take that same example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 1. What is the place of 2? It is placed at lakhs place, but the place value of 2 is 2 lakh. How many zeros are there after 2? So the difference between place and place value is, place is where it is kept. 2 is kept as at lakhs place, but what is the value? 2 lakh. Similarly, 4 is at 10,000th place, so the place is 10,000, but what is the place? What is the place value? 40,000. I hope you have understood this. Let's do the exercise and understand more. In 13,572, 3 is at the 1000th place and 1 is at 10,000th place. 2,47,901, 2 is at lakhs place and 4 is at 10,000th place. Similarly, in coming to question number F, in 27,49,150, the digits in the lakhs place is 7. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 7 is at lakhs place and that in 10 lakhs place is 2. So at 10 lakh the number is 2. Similarly, coming to the last one, 62,107. The place value of 6 is 60,000. But if they would have asked what is the place of 6, we'll write 10,000. So this is the difference between place and place value. If they are asking place, we have to write in spellings, but if they are asking place value, we have to write the numerics. So in 62,107, the place value of 6 is 60,000 and that of 2 is 2,000 and that of 1 is 100. Coming to the next question, that is put the sign. This is easy, I believe. First one is 45,888 and 88,588. So in put the sign, what do we do? If the smaller number is here and the larger number is here, we'll put this sign at the smaller number. The number which is smaller will always have the pointed side and the larger number will have the opened side, and if the numbers are equal to each other, we always put equal to. So when the number is smaller, we put this sign. When the number is greater, we put this sign. Always remember that when the number is smaller, the smaller number will have the pointed side and the greater number will have the open side. So in the first question, 45,888 and 88,588, the larger number is 88,588. So we'll put the opened face on the greater number. In the same way, you have to do this whole question. Coming on to the next question, write the smallest number first and then write the largest number. Okay, so there are a set of number like 67,68,699, 7,37,496, 23,55,321, 64,792, and 6,01,033. So what is the greatest number? What is the smallest number here? 64,792. And what is the greatest number here? 67,68,699. In the same way, you have to do all of these questions. Let's see one more question, that is F. 1 crore 3 lakh 5,007, 30 lakh 50,700, 9 lakh 7,050, 90 lakh 70,503, and 3 crore 6 lakh 7,090. So what is the smallest number here? We have to write the smallest number first. Smallest number is 90 lakh 70,050, and the largest number is 3 crore 6 lakh 7,090. In this way, this question will be done. Coming on to the next question, that is ascending order, and sixth question is descending order. I have already explained you in this particular video what are ascending order and what are descending order. So ascending order is when we write the smallest number first and then the number larger on the second, and then a larger number on third, and then a larger number on fourth, and at last we'll write the largest number. And in descending order, what we have to do? We have to write the largest number first, then a smaller one, then a smaller one, then a smaller one, and at last what we have to write? The number that is the smallest. So in question number 1 of question number 5, 52,572, 45,678, 3,34,571, 33,795, and 2,37,691. What is the smallest number here? 33,795. So we'll write this number first, then 45,678, and then a number that is larger than 45,000 will be 52,572. The number which is greater than 52,572 will be 2,37,691, and at last the largest number is 3,34,571. In this same way, you have to do all the questions, and in this particular same way, you have to do the descending order also. But let's see what we have to do in descending order. First one is 9,180, 18,270, 36,45,549, 63,72,810, 18,27,990. Now we have to write the largest number first. So what is the largest number in out of these 5 numbers? 63,72,810. So we'll write this first. Second will be 36,45,549. Next will be 18,27,930. Then 18,270, and then 9,180. In this same way, you have to do all these questions. I have written numbers here, but you are not allowed to write the numbers like this. You have to write it at the space that is provided to you. Coming on to the last question, make the greatest and the smallest number using all the given digits. So what we have to do, we have to make the numbers with the digits given below. And there were two things that I told you to keep in mind. First is, whenever you are making the greatest number, you have to write all the digits in a descending order. And second thing was, whenever you are making the smallest, you are writing the smallest number, no number will start with 0. Instead, what you will do, you will write 0 at second place and the smallest number before 0. So we'll take an example where 0 is there, like in B question. Question number B. 68204. So what will be the greatest number? Write all these digits in descending order. 8 6 2 no I'm sorry 6 8 8 6 4 2 0. And when you are writing the smallest number, put this 0 at second place and the smallest number before 0. So 2 is the smallest number here. 2 0 4 6 and 8. Let's take one more example, which is D. 7957062. Now there are two same digits. So what we are going to do, we'll write these same digits together. So we'll write the greatest number first. First will be 9 7 7 6 5 2 and 0. And when we are writing the smaller number, what we are going to do, we'll put the 0 on the second place and write the smallest number before 0. So 2 0 5 6 7 7 9. I hope this seems easy to you. Rest all the questions will be done in the same way. And with this, our chapter number 3 is over with exercise 3B. Now I request all of you to please complete your work till exercise 3B and keep practicing maths at home. Also, do the homework if you have not done yet, and complete your work in your books and your notebooks. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Thank you.